up, baby? What are we doing?
We're going to Mexico.
I can't see you, but hey, you're there, and I'm here, and yep, it is dark. As you can see here at the Charlotte International Airport, it's pretty slow. We got straight through check-in and security with no problems. I mean, our neck pillows did make us get checked, but well, Alma got filled up a little bit by the TSA security, but other than that, pretty doggone good. All right, guys, we made it to Cancun, Mexico. Let's see if we have the same kind of issues we had the last time we were here. I sure hope not. Right there's a thermal imaging scanner. All right, guys, come through immigration, no problem. We were in and out 5 minutes. Stamp our passport and our visa. So now, of course, it's getting our bags here, and then it'll be go through customs and on to the resort. This is where you don't stop. They'll hound you to death, try to say everything in the world, but not us. Hola, ¿cómo está?
Yes, we are. Yes, we are. Yes. Hello, Mr. Ronnie. Welcome to Cancun. Nice to meet you. I'm Sumi.
Thank you, Sumi!
There we go.
Yep, baby, that was easy peasy, wasn't it?
That's a whole lot better.
Whole lot better than the first time we came here. It took us forever.
Mr. Ronnie Joe, is correcto?
That is correcto.
Okay, Mr. Ronnie Joe, I need your signature here behind your name, please. Before everything, welcome on board. My name is Giovanni, and I make like an 25 minutes, maybe half an hour maximum to get you hotel.
Okay.
Sounds like a plan.
This is the road to connect to downtown Riviera Maya, Hotel Zone, So the next bridge, this is the place most important. So on your right is connect to the Riviera Maya. On your left, connect to downtown Cancun. In the middle, like in the front, is connect to the hotel zone, the hotel area. So in this case, we have the option to take the downtown or the hotel zone. We connect to the hotel zone, better for you. And you look at the ocean and everything. Got it?
Got it.
Same route, connect to your hotel, as the same route back to the airport. So, back and forth. Why? Because just in case, if you take other transportation, you know what happens. Riviera Maya, downtown on your left, and now we connect to hotel zone. Is that right? Next suggestion. This is for the people offering so many things, like prices, food, meals. It's normal. It's tourist place. Probably you say many times, no gracias. Mean, no thank you. Because it's normal, like in the free market, people like this say, amigos, come to my shop, I am the number one. Hello, hello this morning, come to my meeting and I give you morning cash. I don't think so. Nothing is free anywhere. Nobody gives nothing free, and nothing cheap is good. In case you need info on the places, activities, or something like that, consult with your travel agency or your personal concierge. This is the better way. I don't say outside is bad or something like that. No. My guarantee for any inconvenience is in your hotel. Got it?
See?
The other suggestion is for Jumone, Cancun, specific in this area. Jumone is easy to work because when you pay in pesos or US money, cash is even. If you pay something with your Blackty Fantastic, you know what I mean?
Right?
Sorry. They charge in pesos plus taxes in automatic. If you pay cash, it's even. Pesos or US money is even. Remember also, the price for your dollar is 19 to 1. 19 pesos for $1. So, not as necessary fix the pesos because anywhere, any place, anybody accepts your money. So it's better pay everything cash. It's okay for you.
Gracias. Gracias.
Enjoy this. The bellman is coming. He's gonna take your control.
Ah, thank you, thank you, thank you. Gracias.
Bienvenidos. ¿Hablan español?
Hola. No, no, no.
Por favor, please, hold the phone right there. Phone side, please.
Was made through Expedia or Travelocity. We spend here from tonight to March 1st in the villa section, right? The adults only section, jacuzzi in the balcony, king size bed for 2 adults. Correct?
Correct.
So, sir, there is an environmental sanitation tax that you guys must pay right now. The cost for the 7 nights is 188 pesos with 23 cents. You're paying by card, right? Okay.
All right, guys, what y'all think about that view from our balcony? We are on the 3rd floor, room 2121. We will do a room tour at some point, but right now we're gonna get unpacked. We just got here. Customs was amazing compared to last time. I mean, we fly in, no problems. get into the airport straight to you know, and it's like bam, 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 just in the line, went through immigration and customs and all that stuff. And right down here, our friends. That's right. That is the first people we saw, the best people we saw. Woo! All right.
You like it? You got a towel?
Yeah.
Excellent.
Two.
Nice. Yeah, inside and outside.
It's awesome.
Oh,
We're going to unpack it and we'll meet you down there.
See ya. Woo! All right. I'm gonna hold you to it. All right, guys. So we're gonna unpack. Like I said, we'll get a room tour at some point, and we're gonna go hang out with our friend, Miss Nautical Nurse Nancy and Awesome Anthony. I mean, Mexico's awesome, but when you got a couple like that right there to hang out with, even better. So we'll talk to you in a little bit. All right. Woo! What do you think about the buffet, baby?
Buffet.
It's a big buffet, ain't it? Big buffet here. I didn't really show it because I'm too hungry. So I was too busy putting all that food on my plate. Tried to try a little bit of everything, but we'll let you know how the food is. Hola, ¿cómo está? What's going on with you? Down here, finished up a little late lunch. Met Nick D and Megan Morris. Awesome people. Down here hanging out at the pool area, just exploring a little bit. Yeah, so hey, the RIU Palace Peninsula, awesome so far, and it's just the first day. We've only been here a few hours. So yeah, I think it's going to be a great time. And this is day one, I said, right? Day one. Good times await us, ain't no doubt. Good stuff. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think we got 6 pools here. I don't know. Walking around, checking everything out. Look way out there. There is the ferry boat. It takes you on over to Isla Mujeres.